It is for you. Keep on moving in life with the flow of life, with great patience, consistency, dedication, and with your 100% efforts from body, heart, and soul. Yes, effort should be done consistently. And even if you feel that yes, ये काम नहीं हो रहा मेरे से या क्या करूं कैसे करूं, here EFT tapping comes into picture. The work which I have chosen, it is not happening. This work which is not getting the way I want. This work, the work which I am holding in my hand, in spite of making best of my efforts, it is not working. This work which is my, you can say, goal, but still it is not in my hands. This work which I am holding, this goal of my life, this work, as I'm tapping I am getting in the sync that yes, ये काम होगा तो जरूर. Yeah, it will happen sooner or later. Keep on tapping and enjoy life.